Welcome to Pydle Day 102. Pydle is a daily puzzle. You need to solve a writing Python code. If you're new to Pydle, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle to give you some hints how to approach these problems. Today's Pydle is a baby, so use your imagination. So baby sucking on a dummy. Have a go at solving this Pydle. So yesterday's Pydle was a cactus, quite a simple one. So there's lots of symmetry going on here, but we're not going to use Cartesian coordinates, we're just going to use Pydle coordinates, and that's conveniently already there for us. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to tackle both the green and the orange, the green and the brown pixels in one if statement, just to keep things brief. So what we can see, there's all the even, so it's 0, 2, and 4 pixels there are colored green. So what we can say, if x modulus 2 equals 0, so that's kind of the upright bits of the cactus, and then we have to say and y equals y is less than 2, then we do them as green. So let's just gradually build that up. Okay, so that's those ones. Now the two horizontals we can say or y in 2, 4. Okay, so that would be the two horizontals. Don't worry that that one's still brown. We will fix that in a bit. And then we've got a single pixel there. And we just can address that by creating a tuple of x and y and checking if that's equal to the coordinates of that single pixel, and that pixel is 2, 3. So it's x2, 0, 1, 2, y 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's the outline of our cactus, but it's all green. So what we simply need to do is say green if y not equals to 4, else brown. Okay, there you go. That's all the foreground, and all we need to do is now have a single else statement and color the rest of the pixels white. Okay, and that solves the Pydle. So if you haven't done yesterday's one and you want some practice, then just go. You can always hit the back arrows and get to a previous day's Pydle, or have a go at solving the little baby we've got for today. Have fun playing Pydle, and I'll see you again tomorrow.